Hi everyone, it's Mr. Robinson, and I want to show you how to do the commenting part of Edublogs. It's important to know how to not only make a comment, but also to approve that comment and to respond to comments. So here I am at my Edublogs dashboard, and I'm going to visit my site, and it's important to be able to go back and forth. So I'm going to visit my site right up here, but I'm going to open this link in a new tab. Now here is my site, and I'm just going to find a page that I want to make a comment on. How about crafting comments? So I'm going to go to the page, and I'm going to write comment here. Now I'm already logged in to my Edublogs account, so I don't have to put any information in. If a person is commenting on your blog and they're not part of our Edublogs community, they're going to have to put in more information, but they shouldn't worry about that. Even putting in an email address, as the email address is not going to show up. It's just to verify that this is actually a human and not a bot that is putting a comment in. So feel free to have parents comment, experts, any kind of connections that you have. Now I'm just going to put a very quick comment in here. I do have a whole lesson on good comments, but this is just a short and sweet comment for our purposes here to understand comments. So I'm just going to put thanks, Mr. Robinson. Okay, I'm going to post that comment. Now you might notice that the comment is here, but it's not actually posted on the blog. What has to happen is you go to your comments section. And when you go to the comments section, you're going to find comments that are unapproved here. And this is the place where you have to approve the comment. What I can do is approve the comment. It's already approved because I guess it's me who's writing the comment. I can reply to the comment, and I suggest that you do, because that just shows that you're engaging with your readers. So I approve the comment, I reply to the comment, a quick message, you're welcome, and I hit reply. Now that also is going to the post. And you can see how when you're doing this, it begins a conversation. I knew that I had a comment because there is a bubble here in Edublogs that shows the number of comments that have been unapproved. Now that's just a real short video showing you how to look at comments, how to make a comment, and how to approve a comment and reply to a comment. I suggest that you do that to try to engage your audience. First, elicit comments from others, and then approve and respond to the comments, and make sure you're commenting on others' work as well, and using the tools that I've shared with you on good quality commenting. Typically, the words "great post" is not a great comment. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope it helps you as you engage in conversations online.